Hello, welcome to Techified, only and only testified tech. Today we are going to have a look on an online freelancing platform called Fiverr. It is a great platform if you wanted to start your career as a freelancer. But the competition is very much high on this site, so you need to have patience and skills. And sometimes those are not enough to get a bunch of orders. That's why I am here to help you out. To get more orders on Fiverr, you will have to get more impressions and you will have to rank your gig on the first or second pages, so the buyers can actually click on that and even purchase that. But the question now is how we can increase the impressions and rank our gig. No problem, I have got a smart fix for you. I have got a trick for you so you will be always online on Fiverr even if you are not using your desktop or even you are just sleeping in your bed just by using the page refreshing tools in desktop. Being online on the marketplace makes Fiverr think that you are spending more and more time on their platform, so they will try to push you a gig rank, and that is what we want. It might be harmful for your Fiverr account if you use those page refreshing extensions just by putting a timer in them. This can lead you to disable your Fiverr account. I have seen many YouTube videos just telling you to do the same. This can give you a warning from Fiverr, or you will see a page like this, but I have brought you a way so we can use this tool without any warning and account problem. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser, then search for Auto Refresh Plus extension. Open up the first link and just click on Add to Chrome. Our extension is now adding. Our extension has been added to Chrome successfully. Now click on this extension's icon over there and pin this up. It is time to log into your Fiverr dashboard. Okay, here we are. Now open any 4 Fiverr pages. I suggest you to open Buyer Request, Seller Dashboard, Inbox, and Fiverr homepage. So select any page of them and click on Auto Refresh Plus. Select 5 minutes time and simply tap Start. Our extension is working now. So what we are going to do is we are going to put timer of 5 minutes on all these 4 pages, but every page starts after 1 minute. We have to wait till the time reaches 4 minutes. Now go to second page and start the timer for 5 minutes. So my theory is that we are going to refresh these page in every 5 minutes, and after 1 minute another page refreshes, and Fiverr takes this as we were surfing on that page first, and then we get to this page, and after 1 minute we will get to another page, and this will continue for 4 pages. When this time reach 4 minutes, then we will set another 5 minutes timer on the next page. Once you have set up timer on all those 4 pages, then you are ready to take a nap. I guarantee you that it is first time on YouTube, anyone showing this method, so please do subscribe and share with your friends. By using this way you will never get any warning from Fiverr or never get the captcha box, and you can be always online 24/7. I suggest you that you should change your display sleep time. Just go to settings of your desktop. Open power and sleep settings. Change all these 4 settings to never. This will always awake your PC, when the process will never be interrupted. So that was it for this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video.